Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials and cutting the basic shape. Lay 2 cardboard sheets flat, trace a 16-inch lightning bolt template, and mark a 1/2-inch base tab for mounting. Once traced, score the fold lines to control bends, then cut the outer silhouette with steady strokes so edges stay straight. Make sure to keep any offcuts for later layering. They add strength. Work on a protected surface, and rotate the piece as needed to maintain comfortable cutting angles. Once you have the base pieces, assemble depth by stacking 2 to 3 cutouts with slight offsets to create a beveled look. Apply hot glue across the full surface, press firmly, and use masking tape or clamps to hold alignment while it cools. After bonding, refine the silhouette by trimming and sanding edges, and add thin internal supports at narrow points so the bolt doesn't flex. You do this because layered cardboard both stiffens and creates that dramatic 3D. You finish by sealing and painting for a realistic Zeus bolt. Prime with gesso or diluted white glue, sand smooth, then apply a metallic base coat. Once dry, highlight with bright yellow and white along the central ridge to read as energy. To mount, glue the 1/2-inch tab to a dowel or plaque. If the cardboard warps or droops, add thin cross braces or glue a lightweight foam core to the back. That extra support corrects twists without adding much weight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.